Lunchtime hustlers, let's go. Can you actually make good money accepting every order on DoorDash? Or is cherry picking the real move? Today, I'm testing the take everything approach to see if it's really worth it. I've already tried cherry picking before, so I've already have a feeling how this is gonna turn out. Let's get this money. For the next 4 hours, I'm accepting every order, no matter how bad it looks or how bad it is. Then I'll compare the numbers to numbers that I've seen when I cherry pick. I already know what strategy is better, but let's see how bad this accepting every order method is. Let's check it out. So y'all, it was so slow doing DoorDash during lunch, I had to go ahead and do an Uber. I had to knock one out real quick. After 3 hours of accepting everything, I've made $22, but drove 32 miles, which means gas is eating up all my profits. I don't know about you, but I ain't about this life at all. Now let's talk about what happens when you actually pick up orders and do it wisely. Because I've been dashing long enough to know that this right here isn't the move. So here's the thing. I've done cherry picking strategies plenty of times before, and it's been a game changer. Instead of accepting every single order, I'll only take the one that pays at least $1 a mile and a minimum of $7. Trust me, if you make that change, it'll make a huge difference in how you make your money on DoorDash. See what I mean? It's orders like these that make DoorDash worth it. When I cherry pick, I make way more than drivers that don't. That means more money in my pocket and fewer miles on my car. If you're getting any value from this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Every time I dash smart. I see results like this. $55 in 3 hours, and I barely drove 18 miles, compared to what happened earlier when I took everything and only made 22 bucks driving 32 miles. Nah, that ain't worth it. You shouldn't do it. Cherry picking is the way. Look at the difference. And you're wondering whether accepting every order is worth it. Believe me, the numbers don't lie. Cherry picking got me extra money in the same 3 hours, and I drove less. If you're out here dashing during lunch, accepting everything, stop. Look, you can clearly see the difference from what I made. There's a lot more money doing it this way. So since you stayed to the end of the video, here are 3 tips for getting this lunch rush money. Only accept high pay, low mile orders. $1.50 per mile, or don't take it. $1 is fine too. Stay near hot zones. Busy restaurants, faster order equal more money. The last one, stack orders when possible. Multi-app, Uber Eats, DoorDash, all that's gonna help you during lunchtime to make more money. So, what's the verdict? Can you make more money accepting every order? Sure, but you'll make way more being selective. And believe me, if you're dashing during lunch, you'll need that strategy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for me. If you like more money making tips, drop a comment. Let me know if cherry picking is your thing, or do you like accepting every order? It's your boy AD. Peace.